fabulous executive living bordering Oak Mountain State Park. Colleen and David Black, Keller Williams Realty, 356-5412. Call on Colleen.
This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday morning, the 4th day of June. James Spann here, and it looks as though this day will be relatively wet across Alabama in the Deep South, thanks to an upper trough passing through here. We'll look out the window at the somewhat ridiculous hour of 5 o'clock. And at least it's a little light out there at this time of the day, this time of the year. We're a couple of weeks away now from the summer solstice. After June the 21st, the days begin to get shorter. That's the Decatur sky cam. The Tennessee River is seen down below. The sky mostly cloudy there. And goodness gracious, who in the world is shopping at 5 o'clock in the morning? Well, I guess some folks do that. That's the Trussville view looking over the Walmart parking lot there. And down in Gulf Shores, that's our sky cam on top of the Phoenix All Suites. We actually had a couple of water spouts not too far from there yesterday. There's the water vapor satellite shot this morning. You can see a pretty moist air mass in place all across the southeast United States. And we are expecting scattered to numerous showers and storms today. In fact, at 5 o'clock, light rain is falling over parts of Shelby County and Point South, also through parts of East Alabama, and even a little thunderstorm sitting up there where Marshall, Jackson, and DeKalb counties all come together. Don't expect a major severe weather problem today with limited instability. All of the significant severe weather should be out west of all places, including a large chunk of Oregon. And around here, there could be a few strong storms, but again, major severe weather problems are not expected. Here's the QPF chart. This is the expected rain for the next 5 days. And the heaviest rain will be on the South Atlantic coast from Miami up to Chesapeake Bay. And around here, it's looking at about 1 inch of rain. This is valid through Monday evening of next week, and a pretty good chunk of that should come today. Here's the GFS at 1 o'clock today at 500 millibars. You can see the trough passing through a vortex just north of here, and down below that, surface low is right over us. And again, that should mean a day with scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms. And because of the lack of sunshine, the weather cooler today, the high only in the low 80s. In fact, some spots could stay in the 70s all day. Tomorrow, the GFS continues the idea of a slower progression of this trough, and this is suggesting there might be some morning rain over the eastern side of the state. And we've mentioned the chance of maybe a few lingering morning showers, but the western part of the state should be dry, and that clearing trend should work its way on eastward during the course of the day. And then Saturday, as we start the weekend, we go rain-free. Looks like a sunny day with a high in the mid to upper 80s. And Sunday, the same deal. A good supply of sunshine with upper 80s likely. Go to Monday of next week. The weather now looking relatively dry. We've mentioned the chance of a shower Monday afternoon as moisture should begin to return. There's a Tuesday of next week. That's still suggesting the deeper moisture off to the east. But by Wednesday, another pretty good-looking little vortex comes through here. And if that's right, Wednesday of next week could be relatively wet. This is June the 10th. With an upper-level trough and a surface boundary just to the north. And then Thursday, again, a pretty good-looking air mass. And we note that disturbance down to the south around Cuba in the Caribbean. And then we'll go out 3 more days on the 15th. And the GFS is suggesting maybe some type of tropical system lifting north through the Atlantic, just off the Atlantic coast of the United States. And if you watch these videos over the years, you know the GFS is famous for bogus tropical systems, but we'll keep an eye on that. And 4 days later on June the 19th, pretty standard June look there with ridging here across the Deep South. The westerlies are up north, and that looks like nothing out of the ordinary, warm and humid with some risk of a few scattered showers and storms. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video by 3:30 or so today. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.